testing. Alright. Yo, 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 everybody. Hello. How's everyone doing tonight? Nice. Alright. You are listening to Sound Retreats, a two-man band. Hopefully you feel good that you're hearing us. Alright, we got my man Darby back here on bass. And then me, Nick, I'm the other bass, vocal bass. We're going to be performing 3 songs today, 2 from post-punk, and then 1, you guys will probably know what it is, so we're going to keep it a surprise right now. So, yeah. We'll get started in 1 second. Alright, track number 1, She's Lost Control by Joy Division. In her eyes that says it all. She's lost control, and she's clinging to the nearest passerby. She's lost control, and she gave away the secrets of her past and said, I've lost control again. And a voice that told her when and where to act, she said, I've lost control again. Took me by the hand and said, I've lost control again. And how I'll never know just why or understand, she said, I've lost control again. Then she screamed out, kicking on her side, and said, I've lost control again. We walked upon the edge of no escape and laughed, I've lost control. She's lost control again. She's lost control. She's lost control again. She's lost control. Phone her friend to state my case and say she's lost control again. And she showed up all the errors and mistakes, and then she lost control again. She screamed out, kicking on her side, and said, I've lost control again. Then she seized up on the floor, I thought she died, she said, I've lost control. She's lost control again. She's lost control. She's lost control again. She's lost control. Alright, coming up next, we have a Siouxsie and the Banshees song, Red Light. It's kind of impeccable timing, actually, because Siouxsie's birthday was actually on May 27th, Memorial Day, so happy belated birthday, Siouxsie. Yeah, Red Light. Let's do this. She falls into frame with a professional pout, but the Polaroids ignite upon seeing their subject. And the aperture shuts, too much exposure. Sucks into focus, floodlit the glossy kismet, but as emotion drips down, down, the aperture shuts, too much exposure. Come into this room, come into this gloom, see the red light rinsing, another shutter slut wincing. The sagging half-wit sister, pretty, pretty picture of an ancient nipple shrinking, that Kodak whore winking, till the aperture shuts, too much exposure. Come into this room, come into this gloom, see the red light rinsing, another shutter slut wincing. Come into this room, come into this gloom, see the red light wincing, another shutter slut wincing. Alright, still gonna keep this third song a surprise. I swear, if some of you don't know this, you are missing out on good music. But yeah, a couple nuances here. Darby is switching from bass to drums. Yeah. But another twist, we can't do the song without some proper audience participation. So yeah, All we need you guys to do is to create a simple, single, unified beat. And it goes a little like this. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday, you got blood on your face. Take this face, kicking your can all over the place. We will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hot man, shouting in the street. Gonna take on the world someday, you got blood on your face. Take this face, waving your banner all over the place. Singing, we will rock you. Sing it! Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes, gonna get you some peace someday, you got blood on your face. Take this face, somebody better put you back into your place. We will rock you. Come on! Everybody! One more time! All right!
Over here. Stage